Hello and welcome to another installment of our adventures here in southern Sweden, building a big recording studio in an enormous old Swedish barn. Feeling a lot better this week. My arm has magically healed itself. I've been going to the chiropractor for the last couple of weeks and I think it's starting to work. Anyway, thank you very much to all the new subscribers and members. Very cool to have you on board. Thanks a lot for your support. This week is going to be exciting as I sneak into the control room here. We have none other than Andy Aquarius himself on the crew.
Very best.
Ferdy and Andy, Bavarian plasterboard army. The Bayerische Gipsplatte, was
Bayerische Gipsplattenarmee.
Army, Associats, Bayerisch Gipsplatteverein. It doesn't sound very sexy. The ventilation pipes are in and finished. That's the inlet and that's where the exhaust goes out, and that's all insulated. They can't wait to keep going. And Ferdy and Andy are plasterboarding the ceiling. Very exciting. I am in here insulating the control room. Again, all of the ventilation stuff is done. Elsa is in the live room finishing off the painting, adding a bit of glitter to the paint. Did you add glitter to this paint?
Yeah.
Wow. So yeah, it is all happening. Next Wednesday we have the guys from Copenhagen coming to record. We're not going to be ready, but we'll come up with something. This is good, it's exciting. Very happy that my arm's feeling a bit better. I can actually do stuff. So yeah, please subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get this done. The last piece of insulation in the entire studio, I think that's it. Half the ceiling is plasterboarded in here. In the booth, the whole ceiling is plasterboarded. Layer one. Second layer going on after we've filled all the gaps. Ferdy is fitting more door liners. These door liners are all done. Looking totally amazing. Elsa's painting white glitter paint. Can you see the glitter? Also very exciting is inside the toilets blob, the solar panel inverter and the new fuse box for the studio are in. This place is getting finished quickly now. Oh, very nice, very nice.
We have to hand first.
Skilled. All right, I'll screw that one up then. We're generating 9 kilowatts. It's not even fully up yet. Pretty amazing. All right, last bit of the second layer. The booth is done. 2 layers on the ceiling. Sorry, it's dark in here. So yeah, just the walls to go. The door liners are all done. And we might end up cutting through these in the end. We'll see how the sound is. We might cut through these to decouple them if we need to. Certainly this one, I think, Yeah. And that one over there, that one's not done. But yeah. Okay, Ferdy and me, we've just spent a couple of hours tidying up the workshop a bit, doing some cabling on the ceiling and stuff, so that there's now basically no cables on the floor, so we can easily sweep this up. The dust extraction is still a few teething problems. So next week, the big thing that's happening, apart from us continuing to build as best we can, is that on Wednesday I have some friends coming from Copenhagen, a great band, and we're going to set up in the live room and we're going to record some stuff. We're going to record them playing, basically, and just to see how it sounds. Because it's almost time to start thinking about acoustic treatment and things, and just basically get an idea of what it sounds like in there. This has been planned for quite a long time, and I was supposed to be kind of ready, but I'm not going to be ready. So I will probably just run a very long snake from my temporary studio, which you haven't really seen because I haven't really been showing it, but you will see that next week, and we will set up musical instruments in the live room and we will record them. So that's going to be next week's video. Basically, today we thought we would clear up in here and kind of get things ready a bit, or at least just get all the crap out of the way, so that next week should be fairly simple. Just put a rug down, bring some drums in, some amps, and some mics. Kind of exciting and weird at the same time. Yeah, anyway, that's what we're going to do now. A big tidying session in the live room, which is, incidentally, it's all painted. Elsa's finished the paint. So yeah, it is looking pretty good. Wow, this has been a long time waiting for this. What a perfect evening as well. Not sure if you can see outside, but it's beautiful. And it's so nice to have both doors open, and it's actually going to be amazing to record in here sometimes. If anyone wants the sound of birds and cars in the background, but it is pretty amazing to have these two doors open, especially that one, that view down there. Well, this is a pretty huge achievement to get to this stage. Kind of overwhelming. It really almost feels like a studio. And next Wednesday there will be a rug and a band there, and we'll do some recording, see how it sounds in here. And Monday and Tuesday we will hopefully finish the plasterboarding in these two rooms, and yeah, it'll be pretty damn close. So yeah, there you go. Yeah, not really sure what to say. We're getting very close. It's painted, the plasterboarding is incredibly close to be finished. The ventilation is done, tested, working. The insulation is all finished. One more door liner to do, and we probably will cut through some of these door liners, as people have been saying in the comments. But I think first we'll just test it out and see how it sounds in here without them, because there's not that much going on outside around here, just a little plane. But I think it'll be okay. Thank you very much for watching. Sorry, I'm a bit overwhelmed really. Yeah. So yeah, next week we will be making music in here, and then I think we have another couple of weeks before we take a bit of a break, because we really need it. Yeah, I'll see what I can do about making videos during the break. Anyway, yeah, thank you very much for watching and for all of your support. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and if you want to help us out and get some extra content, which I'm going to film straight after I finish this, then you can click the little join button below to become a channel member. Yeah, in the meantime, look after each other, lots of love, and wow, it sounds cool in here. Sounds pretty echoey. But yeah, lots of love, look after each other, and I'll see you next week. Goodbye.